Here are the 5 best smartphones for gamers in 2025. If you are new to my channel, this is AB Tech. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, these phones are judged by their chipsets, cooling system, and display sizes. So I'm going to list these phones from number 5 to number 1, which is the best, the one I prefer based on my personal experience. So on number 5 is Samsung Galaxy Fold 6. It comes with a chipset of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and the cooling system is the vapor chamber that Samsung normally use, but yet they used to still be heat, especially if you are playing a high-end game. So one good thing about this phone is the display. Especially the inner display is 7.6 inches, and it comes with 120 Hz AMOLED display, and the battery is 4,800 milliamp hours of battery, and also it comes with an S Pen, so you can easily enjoy this phone when you are gaming with it. On number 4 is the iPhone 16e that Apple released few months back. So this phone is good for gaming because it comes with A17 Bionic chipset, which is one of the best chipsets out there now. Then the display is 6.1 OLED display with 60 Hz refresh rate. So it's in that refresh rate that a lot of gamers have a little issue. Cooling system is the basic graphite layer, so it's a little bit okay, but not to compare to some of the phones that I'm going to mention later. But if you are a budget phone user, you want a gaming phone, please go for the iPhone 16e. So on number 3 on this list is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yes, this iPhone 16 Pro Max, the chipset is A18 Pro chipset, and it has 20 times faster GPU, and the cooling system is the graphite plus copper heatsink. So it's better than any other iPhone when it comes to gaming. iPhone 16 Pro Max is one of the best gaming smartphone you can get today, 2025. Now on number 2 spot is the OnePlus 13. So the OnePlus 13 is the gaming tweak. It have everything you need. It comes with Snapdragon 8 chipset, and the cooling system is the VC vapor chamber plus the AI terminal. So it's very wonderful phone for gaming. The display is 6.7 LTPO 144 Hz AMOLED display. It's a very wonderful phone if you need a gaming phone this time that you are going to enjoy. On number 1, and before I call the number 1, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay, and also comment which phone do you think will be number 1. Okay, now on number 1 is the RedMagic 10 Pro. This is the best phone for gaming as far as 2025 is concerned. So this phone also comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and the cooling system is active cooling fan, and it has a very big display, 6.8 165 Hz AMOLED refresh rate. This is wonderful. There has never been a phone that is as tough as this phone. So this is the best phone, and it also comes with a massive battery, a 6,000 milliamp hour battery with 100-watt charging. The performance is for hardcore gamers, okay? If you are a hardcore gamers, this is the best phone for you in 2025. Please, like as I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in my next video. Peace out.